Hai, Assalamualaikum. My name is Bazil Muaz Buang bin Abdullah.
My name is Raja Muhammad Adi Amsyah bin Raja Alamsyah.
My name is Ahmad Syazik bin Ahmad Fauzi.
My name is Imad Zikri bin Haizan.
My name is Muhammad Akif Fahmi bin Fadilah.
My name is Muhammad Rizkin bin Rosman.
And my name is Muhammad Naqi Iman bin Nazri, and I would like to explain about our product.
Good day and thank you for this opportunity. Today, I am excited to present an innovation we developed, the Espresso Box, a multi-purpose cooler bag designed specifically to meet the need of modern users. Espresso Box combines both cooling and heating technology in one practical, durable and versatile bag that can be used anywhere. With its modern design and smart features, this product is not just ordinary bag, but an ideal solution to the challenge of storing food and beverage at the right temperature throughout the day. Let us explore the problem this product aims to solve. In daily life, many users struggle to maintain the temperature of the food or drinks they carry. Most cooler bags on the market can retain temperature effectively for long periods. Additionally, they are often too small, like a built-in temperature system, and do not come with a cooler bag. Moreover, they are made of materials that easily damage, torn, and inconvenient to carry. All these shortcomings expose users to the risk of food spoilage, especially unsuitable outside temperature. This highlights a need for a more reliable and functional storage solution.
The root causes of this issue lie in the poor design and limited feature of conventional cooler bags. Firstly, the small size is impractical for every needs. Secondly, the absence of a temperature control system prevents content from being kept at optimal temperatures. Most products also do not come with the cooler bags. The material used are typically low in durability, making the bag easy to tear and ineffective in harsh conditions. Furthermore, their designs are not ergonomic, making them difficult and uncomfortable to carry around in daily life or during travel.
To address the issues, we proudly introduced the Espresso Box, a cooler bag thoughtfully designed for today active users. This product does more than store food or drink. It effectively maintains their temperature, whether hot or cool. It is equipped with digital temperature technology, a durable structure, and a size that suits various daily needs. With this innovation, users no longer have to worry about food spoilage, spoiled baby milk, or hot drink turning cold while on the go. Espresso Box is the all-in-one solution to modern temperature-sensitive storage problems.
Espresso Box is loaded with smart features to support a modern lifestyle. A more scale function, a digital temperature display for easy monitoring, a built-in mini fan, and integrated battery to keep the escalating and maintain stable temperature. It's designed for storing both hot and cool items at the same time. Its moderate yet efficient size allows users to store a sufficient amount without making it bulky. Moreover, the outer layer is made from durable, resistant, and fat resistant materials that are waterproof, making it ideal for everyday and outdoor use.
Using Espresso Box allows users to store foods and beverages at the right temperature all day long, without worrying about spoilage or waste. This not only saves money but also provides peace of mind. Its ergonomic design makes it easy to carry anywhere, whether at the office, school, supermarket, or even on holiday. Its compact size also saves space and is easy to store, with a perfect blend of intelligent features and practical design. This product enhances the user quality of life across various daily routines and activities.
We hope the Espresso Box will bring a meaningful impact to people's life, especially for those who are always on the move. With this, cooler box users no longer have to worry about maintaining the right temperature for their food and beverage. It also helps reduce food waste caused by spoilage due to temperature instability. Additionally, the product uses durable and reusable materials, supporting a more sustainable and eco-friendly lifestyle. Our vision is to make Espresso Box go-to solution in every household for anyone who values quality, comfort, and innovation.
In conclusion, Espresso Box is not just an ordinary cooler bag. It is a smart innovation that combines technology and practicality to meet the needs of modern consumers. With its wide range of intelligent filters, attractive design, and proven ability to retain temperature effectively, we believe this product has the potential to create a big difference in daily life. Thank you for your attention, and we welcome any question or feedback regarding Espresso Box after this presentation.
So, we will show you the special features of our product. Let me show you. So, this is a cool ice pack, and I will turn on the fan to keep the temperature longer. That's all from us. Thank you.